Hey guys, how's it going? So I wanted to take a few minutes and kind of show off some of what I've been working on lately. So for those of you that didn't know, I'm working on a mobile game. So writing it myself, it's called Orbs. I've got about the first level done, so I'm going to show that pretty quick here. But what I've been focusing a lot of time on recently is my level editor to allow me to build levels faster. So the concept of the game is you're an orb and you can go through mazes and different puzzles to absorb smaller enemies to grow larger. There's different types of enemies. This is just the first level. And then once you get big enough, you can pretty much smash through everything here. Haven't finished all the animations yet, but that's kind of the core concept. So now, this is my level editor. It's a custom CAD program I've written. So this is what I'm actually using to build these levels. So this is the level I just played through. You can see all the enemies here. See all the different parts. And this editor allows me to place stuff, to delete things, to add in new things. You can scale stuff. But let's start from scratch and I can show a few features here. So the basis of any level is generally some walls and some structure. So I'm going to place a few here. I've got my grid system turned on so it'll snap to grid. Actually, I'm just going to build half over here. So I've built in where I can draw curves. So I can draw in some handles here. I'm just going to do a quick little thing here. I've also got the ability to duplicate and mirror geometry. So I'm going to mirror this on the x-axis. Let's do that. I can place some enemies down here. Let's see here. These are too big, so I'm going to scale them down a bit, or I could actually scale them about their centers, like that. I'm going to set their velocity. I'm going to turn off the grid so they're not too fast. And here, let's play this real quick here. I've got my player, got the three guys going that way. So, as you can see, this is kind of a useful tool for me to build out the levels, to try out different ideas. A few other features of it is I've actually got snapping to both a grid and I can do geometry snapping. So I can actually snap this line to this curve here. I can place other lines to actually get those 2 points together here. Oops. Select group center. I'm going to scale these to 0 to put them together. Add a few more walls in here. So this is what I'll be doing for the next couple weeks is building out some levels, or maybe not weeks, but hoping to get a beta out in the near future. So have some of you guys try it out, get some feedback. I have lots of levels, some new types of enemies as aside from just the blue orbs. But excited to get that out here in the near future. One other last thing this lets me do is it lets me visualize my physics stuff for debugging. So here I've turned on my binary space partition tree drawing. I'm going to delete some walls here so we can kind of see that as it builds out. So what this does is for collision detection, it subdivides all my geometry into small parts here. So as you can see, it's split down the middle of these guys. So as I add more stuff over here, it's going to keep on subdividing. And this allows for efficient collision detection. If I play it, you can see these over here. So that allows me to efficiently do hit checking for bouncing off stuff. Well, alright, well I think that's about it. Just kind of wrapping up the editor right now and going to be building out some new stuff here. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.